I wrote the boundary of our place for the very last time. And I was leaving for Sydney on the mail train. I'd made up my mind. Dad died in June, I'd never seen my mother so frail. And 3 months later we had to put the family farm up for sale. There was a 5-gallon mailbox on a post by the road, where I'd turn up the valley and wind my way home. I can see Mom and Dad arm in arm in my memories of the family farm. No horses, no valleys, no crosses, no hinterland streams. Just a heart full of songs, a guitar, and a swag full of dreams. In a dark little room I'd scratch out my letters to Mom. And a part of me drifted back north with every single one, to the 5-gallon mailbox on a post by the road, where I'd turn up the valley and wind my way home. I can see Mom and Dad arm in arm in my memories of the family farm. We laid Mom to rest next to Dad the year the farm sold. Months turned to years as I followed the call of the road. I was just passing through when I saw that real estate sign. That very day I put my name to what had always been mine.